Welcome back to this video. If you have been importing goods from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how to master global China importation with 1688AiBuy extension for easy global sourcing. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Edufish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use 1688AI Global Buy for sourcing for product from China to any part of the world globally. So let's see. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply go to this particular URL right here, aibuy.1688.com. So it's going to take you to this particular page right here. So under the home page section right here, as at the time of making this video, this extension is only available in Chrome and it is all free. So what you need to do is to simply click on free add to Chrome and it will redirect you to the official page of the extension in Chrome browser. Now, what you get when you use this AI extension, official global sourcing AI agent plus direct shipping and payment. So you can scroll down and read detail about this particular extension. Come down below right there and click on see more. So these are key features of what you get when you use this particular extension to search for products from 1688 China. So official web 1688 official global shipping recommendation. Find a product you like and want to find similar high quality global sources. Get official recommendation for similar products and use one-click screenshots to find matches. One-click currency conversion, so it allows you to use any type of currency to make a purchase on the site. Then global shipping production, then global shipping product translation. This allows multi-language translation, then cross-border attributes display. Then you can scroll down and read detail. Ali Wangwan chart translation assistant. So you can easily use any types of language to communicate with the supplier. With the help of Ali Wangwan, it will automatically translate it. Then right here, we continuously optimizing and expanding the 1688AiBuy extension to meet the need of global buyers. Future features are coming soon. Highly recommended to install now for early access. So global direct shipping and payment integration, AI agent accompaniment service. So you can scroll down right here, support and contact. So this is the official website right here, aibuy.1688.com. Then you can check on the rating as far as people that have installed the extension, what they have to say so far. So this is 4.9 out of 5 and about 69 rating so far, which is quite good. Now for you to add this extension, what you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on add to Chrome. So click on add to Chrome right here. So allow it to be added, then this is going to bump up. What you need to do is to simply click on add extension. So the extension has been successfully added. Manage your extension by clicking extension in the menu. So right here, we have the icon from the top right here. You can simply click on it. And then these are all the extension right here. We can simply pin this extension in our taskbar, just like what you see right here. That's simple. So after we have successfully installed the extension in our Chrome browser and we have it right here likewise, so what we need to do next is to simply come to the top right here and we have to create a new tab. Then this time around we have to come to our address bar and type in 1688 and press enter key on our keyboard. Then we have it this way. What we want to do is to click on the first result right here. So click on 1688.com. So just like what you see right here, we are on official website of 1688. So let's see how we can use this particular extension on the official site. So what we want to do is to simply come to the top right here where we have the extension. We simply click on it and this is going to pump up. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on few new features. Then this is going to pump up. Then we have all the tools right here such as image text translation, AiBuy direct global goods, then real-time price conversion, one translation. So we can start with AiBuy selected global goods. So click on that. Capture the screen to search for similar items. So what we want to do here is to simply capture a particular screen. So I'm going to simply capture this one right here. Then click on this check mark. Now automatically it's going to search for us in the AI global fashion. Then we have the similar result. Then from here we can simply go ahead and purchase from the global fashion. Then what we want to do next, we can simply click on all region right here. So you can choose your country from this drop down right here. So as at the time of making this video, these are available country right here. If you are shipping direct from China to Nigeria, France, so you can see all the countries right here. Let's, for instance, I want to ship direct to Nigeria. I will simply choose Nigeria, and we have all the products that is being recommended and can be shipped direct from China to Nigeria, and the price has already been cost converted. We can click on here, and we can use unlimited right here. We can simply say between the $11 to $50, then it's going to give us more results. Then we can click on irrelevancy right here, and then we can say from high to low price. So you can refine, and the more you refine, the more different result is going to come up. So this is depends on the type of product you take a screenshot. So for you to make a purchase, what you need to do is simply click on sign in. Then once you sign in, then from there you can easily make payment with your global means of payment. It's that simple. There are a lot of tools right here you can simply explore. Go back to tools. So you have image text translation. You can also use this particular section right here to talk to customer support. So such as you can talk to them on WhatsApp, you can talk to them online, TikTok, and email also you can use to talk to them. Then full survey, then official website, email, or contact us, our help center. Then the next column right here is settings. Then the bottom right here is where you create a free account with 1688AiBuy. So in my future tutorial, I will make more tutorial, a more comprehensive tutorial on how best you can use this AiBuy to ship directly from China to any part of the world. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your 1688 AiBuy shopping app. I hope to see you in my next video.